Hey, this guy with another pack opening. Been kinda hard to find anything this week. I managed to find some Shrouded Fable. So let's just dive into it. This is a pretty small set. I don't have many of the chase cards from it. I want to say I own SIR Pheasantipity. It wouldn't hurt to pull something else. For a Frau, Toxicroak. Ho, Meowth. That's right. Horsey. Sylveon. Malamar. Janine's Secret Art. But same thing, reverse. Had it been another Janine's, I would have lost it. Weavile, reverse. And a Haxorus Hollow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All your support has been very helpful. Thank you.